JA Inspire was a great experience so far. I think it was really cool asking people their careers and what they do, and it just helps me get a better idea on what I might do in my future.
I did a knee surgery where I replaced somebody's kneecap with the VR headsets, and that was it was kind of stressful just being in VR, but it wasn't the worst thing ever. I had a lot of fun with it. My favorite part of the day was doing the elevator interview, where we went over why I should have a job. I just picked one, and I told them reasons why I would be a good candidate for it.
I think it's just given me a lot of information and helping prepare me for future careers, because I can see a little bit more on what's to come and what certain jobs are like. So it's kind of given me a new perspective on what I want to do, and I think that they're helping me decide what I like.
This day I felt was a very good experience for me to look at different things to see what I would like to do in the future. My favorite booth was probably the REMC model one, where you could see all the electricity and how different things could shock you and how you could correctly get out of the situation. I think today has helped me prepare for my future because it gave me a bunch of different looks at different careers and how each career contributes to one another, and it helps me know what career I could want to do.
I think this has helped me prepare for my future because I'm not entirely sure what I would like to do when I get older. So I think this really helps me explore what I'm doing and know what I'm going to do in the future.